Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, we're gonna learn how you can download the FIFA mobile game on your PC. So if you're looking for a way you can get the FIFA mobile game right on your PC for better experience, then watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To get FIFA Mobile downloaded on your PC, first make sure that you download the BlueStacks Android emulator. Open up a web browser and type in www.bluestacks.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now, go ahead and look for the version of the BlueStacks Android emulator you'd like to download and click on the link that you are looking for. The download process will begin automatically at the bottom left. Once the download is completed, click on it to install BlueStacks Android emulator for your PC. Once you are done with the installation process, click open the BlueStacks Android emulator and make sure that you log in using your Google account's credentials. After you end up in this page, click on Apps Store in order to open up the Play Store and get almost every application that is designed for your Android devices on your PC. Go to the search box at the top and type in FIFA Mobile and search. Once you find the FIFA Mobile application right on the display, click the install button and you'll be able to download FIFA Mobile right on your PC. You can now open the game anytime you want on your PC and start playing. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.